all the greetings.
And now we will go to
Babayan Island!
No, it's not. It's Babayan Island.
And here we are at Babayan Land. Wait lang po kaming mag-open na yung gate kasi ito po ay exclusive for all the employees of Pusburo where I am working. And good thing is natapat pa po ng birthday ng aking bunsong anak. So we have free celebration here. And may pa-welcome pa sila sa lahat ng mga family na darating from Pusburo. And guys, ready for the adventure? All the people you will see are the employees of Pusburo together with their families. Oh my God. Why you can do that? Oh my gosh.
That's not possible. Try to hit the border. So here.
€5 is gone.
You want to play again? If you play again for €5, I give you 8 more.
No, it's okay. Now we will try the Indiana River. So come on guys, if I can have a video here. Now we are here at the Indiana River. Kagagaling lang po namin doon sa roller coaster. I tried to capture a video but it's really impossible. Parang malalaglag ka na talaga. And I'm thinking about my husband. Oh? You need to hold? We just finished the Indiana rides, but I need to delete the video because it's prohibited according to the stuff. So I deleted, but we are too wet. I will never ride again on that. It almost killed me. I will not ride again.
And I want to visit El Paso, but I don't know what it is. That's another water outside. That's nicer.
That what?
Huh?
You see? Dito na lang po kami sa monorail.
White water slide here. But here you can see everything there.
Yeah.
Can choose our next thing.
No, no, no. I'm okay with this.
มันมี2แก่งอะ
Eliza, Maki. Eliza, Maki.
swim.
And here we go! My two brave girls! My husband Dirk is still convincing me to try the typhoon.
Yes, why you don't want to?
Oh, I will die. Look. Oh, never to ride the typhoon. My gosh, did you see that? This is the
It's
typhoon.
very slow.
My God. You can try. But no for me. I will vomit, you
Look,
know.
look now. Then turn around every now and then he turns around, looking upside
Oh
down.
my gosh. But they are not shouting.
No, it's so slow.
He's still convincing me to try the typhoon.
Yes, it's slow.
No, no. So, syempre, hindi po mawawala ang kainan. We will try the panos. Isa sa mga pinipilahang bread store dito sa Europe.
Chicken barbecue. What do you want? This is fish.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Pati po itong mga foods nito ay free lang. Kaya, all foods are free. So, we have free celebration. Actually, may dala po kaming foods na sa car, pero hindi po namin nakakainin kasi nga, hindi namin alam na pati pala pagkain dito ay free. Oh, let's start to eat na. And you?
You think it's a handbag? You? Take away the tissue.
We are not equal. See? Hi!
Every corner with me.
Yes, hindi po kami pantay. Masyado pong lubog yung gawin niya. This is our moment.
Look, it keeps hiding at every corner.
Ayaw po sumakay ng aking mga anak at pambata lang daw
It's
po
not
ito.
floating. It's touching the bottom. I feel it in my butt.
They are all laughing with us, you know? Nakatuwad po kasi kami.
We are slowing down the attraction.
They're all laughing with us, Daddy. People in the other boat, people in the other boat is laughing with us.
You have to pay attention or we will bump.
Say magandang buhay, everybody.
Yeah.
Say it.
Ah,
Say it.
magandang buhay, everybody. I'm sinking soon.
Okay, little girl, you can say hi to your relatives in the Philippines. Ah, no English. You ate.
Sally!
Swerte, nakakita kami ng Pilipina dito. Nice to meet you, ate. Wow, so sweet. Ay, you are so nice. It's a very, very big dog.
Now it's time for us to go home. We really enjoy. Bye-bye!
So na guys, nakauwi na po kami sa bahay. Tapos na po ang aming magandang birthday celebration sa Babianlan. And thank you sa aking trabaho at nalibre po kami sa bayad sa entrance plus foods. At ngayon po ay meron po kaming konting salo-salo dito sa aming bahay. Mga niluto ko lang po yan. May spaghetti, pampahaba ng buhay. The salad, the chicken, at hipon. So, sa lahat po ng makikikain, mag-iwan lang po kayo ng konting mensahe at dadalawin ko po kayong lahat. So, goodbye muna po at kakain kami. Magandang buhay, everybody!